In this next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to highlight text and animate it. So in order to do this, first you need to have a still image. I've just taken a screenshot. I'm just going to import that file. And here's my common folder file structure for this project. And I've already put it in graphics, as you can see here. And I just want to bring this whole graphics file in, create a new bin for the graphics anyway. So I'm just going to import. And there we go. We've created a new bin that includes that text file. All right. So next we want to just drag that file onto our sequence. And there we go. Here's some text. So after I've brought my text file in, then I'm going to go find my rectangle tool and I'm going to select that. And then don't have any of your text or clips or anything selected in this situation. Usually you want those selected. We don't want this selected right now. And we're just going to go up to our program monitor. And let's see, I want to highlight this portion right here. So I'm going to draw a rectangle around here and what I want to highlight and animate. And we'll do that. And as you can see, right now our highlight is gray. So we need to go find our effect controls. It should be up in your left window here. Sometimes it'll be in your source clip. Just scroll over up here and you will find your effect controls. And you need to select now our new graphic that we are manipulating. And under shape, let's change this color to a highlighter looking color. And it can be any color you prefer. I'm just gonna try to work with what my mind sees and most of the world sees as a highlighting yellow. So there we go. I'm gonna accept that. And then we need to scroll down in our effects panel and we need to go under opacity, and under blend mode, we're going to go down and select multiply. And as you can see, we can see our text and it is highlighted. So now that it's highlighted, we want to animate it. So we need to go into our effects down your left lower project window, and we want to search for the crop effect. And it's in video effects if you just search for it manually. And I'm going to just drag this onto our graphics track here. And then go back to your effects controls in the upper window. And now you can see we've added a crop effects. And we can control some animation here. So just want to make sure, again, that we're at the very beginning of the clip that we're going to be animating. And then let's just select the crop. And you can see it's very slight, but we have a blue outline now of the full program window. And you can see we have our cropping handles here, some in the corner, some on the side. And we're just going to grab this one on the side here. And we're just going to drag it to the left until we cannot see that highlight anymore. That's all you have to do. And then the next thing we do, we go back to our effect controls and we're going to toggle our little stopwatch here, which will create a keyframe. See our keyframes right here. Then what we do is, depending on how fast or slow we want this highlight to happen, we're going to scrub over a little further into our clip here. Go up to that crop handle again, and now we're going to scroll to the right until it's done being highlighted. And now, and you can see here, we've created another keyframe. So if we go to the beginning of our clip and play that animation, you have highlighted the text. And then if you want to highlight more of the text further down, there's some more lines you want to do, what you'll do is just create another rectangular graphic and go through the same process you did for creating the first one. One other note, I'm just going to play this again. If this is a little too slow for you, all you have to do is move your keyframe over a little bit closer to the first keyframe and get a slightly faster highlight. So yeah, that's how you highlight text, and I hope that helps you in future videos.